Hello guys, I'm here to introduce you to how to use my e-commerce backend. So just go ahead and go to github.com, enter in my username Jason Jayoo, click on my repositories and select my e-commerce backend and just go ahead and click this code and copy this URL SSH key down. In your terminal, you will just go ahead into the folder you want, click clone it into and just put git clone, right click, and you will automatically get the files downloaded to your file. I'm not going to do that because that's already in my computer. So let's say you already opened it, downloaded it, and you opened it in your VS Code. Just go ahead and open your integrated terminal. And to start it off, you're going to have to activate your MySQL, enter your password, and you're going to have to source the database, which is in the DB folder, and the file name is schema.sql. Once you do that, you can go ahead and quit out of here. And in your terminal, you need to type in node seeds / index.js. And you're going to get all the dummy data, which is right there. Once you have that going, then you want to do node server.js to activate the database. And there you go. Now it's listing on port 3001. We're going to go ahead and pull that up in the Insomnia. So here in products, without anything attached and no database, it's going to give you that error. But we do have a database attached. Now, how do we know? Well, let's click send, and bam, we get these data sets back. 5 different items. The tags are the same thing. Different items with these tags. And with categories as well, you get categories. Now let's go ahead and add something to an existing database. So this is going to add the product of Timberland boots to the product line. Product currently only has 5 products. This will become the 6th. I'm going to go ahead and send that. We get the OK. And we just send it here and bam. There you go. You get Timberland boots. Now next up, we'll add in purple in the tags. And we got an OK. Let's go to the tags. Send it here. And at the bottom, you should see purple with an ID of 9. That's pre-designated because it's auto-incremented. And lastly, for categories, let's go ahead and add a category name of football. I'm going to send that. Let's go to categories, send it over, and boom. Now we have a category called football. Now, this is to get specific products by ID. So for whatever has an ID of 1, we select as a plain t-shirt. 2, running sneakers. 5, cargo shorts. For tags, let's look at tag 1. This is ID. Tag 1 is rock music, but other ones actually do have tag IDs of 1, so that's why they come up. Not a big issue. And for categories, let's look at 1 as well. So we get shirts. Let's try category 3. Music. All right. Now let's go ahead and place in. Posting is adding. Putting is when you replace an object or replace an item. So in products right now, in number 1, it's a plain t-shirt. So let's go ahead and replace plain t-shirt with a long sleeve t-shirt. So bam, and now that plain shirt is now a long sleeve thermal t-shirt. Okay, next, let's change the tag name of 1. Right now, the first tag name is rock music. We're going to go ahead and change that to retro style. Bam, there you go, retro style. Next is categories. We're going to change that to oldies and number 1. So go from shirt to oldies. And bam, there we go. Okay, now we could delete an item. So let's see, product, first name, long sleeve. Let's go ahead and delete that product. And there we go. Doesn't exist anymore. Like tags here, it still has 1 here, so let's go ahead and delete that one too. And there you go. Number 1's gone out of tags. Oldies here, I'll get rid of him too. And bam. So none of these 3 will have an ID of 1 anymore because we deleted them all. And that's about it. Thank you very much for your time.